Not too bad, gapping some spark plugs. Oh yeah, my name's Craig. I run Oversteer.com. We do drift parts and stuff. We're just taking the car out for a little bit of fun today. Had a little misfire, so we're replacing the spark plugs. So this here, I'll show you. So this is a E36. Obviously it's turbo if you look right here. The engine is the S50 out of the M3. Built motor, we're 8.5 to 1 compression right now. We have a Pulsar GT 3582 on it, so a fairly big turbo for what it is. Right now we're making, I want to say we're making around 450-ish to the wheels, so nothing too crazy, but plenty to have fun and party, that's for sure. If you look, see something missing up here. We are rear mount radiator as well, I'll show you that. So we can fit a bigger intercooler, better oil cooler, all up in the front.
Like that. Smack that. Tell us what you like.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Oh yeah, it's a ton of fun. I like it. So this car I've had for 5 years now. It's been like 9 different versions of the same car. We find something we don't like it, we change it. This is kind of what we landed on. Happy with it, it works good. Now watching PAIRADICE TV.
From the Brew City to everywhere.